Hello and welcome back to the channel. This video is dedicated for all owners of Africa Twin and NT, Honda NT, because both bikes share the same engines. Most of you may know about it, some of you don't know at all, and some of you may just ignore it. In today's video, I want to talk about the crankcase breathable tubes. You may not know that Honda Africa Twin and NT have three of them. One is located on right hand side, just behind that plastic. It's just over here. And two of them, in case of Africa Twin Adventure Sport 1100, probably the standard one is exactly the same. There is one located over here, and there is one located over here. Why do you want to talk about this crankcase breathable tubes? Just want to show you something. I've just done the 1,100 kilometer trip over the weekend, and look at this crankcase tube. You see that? It just catch the oil. Like I said, there's three of them, and only one, from my experience, catching the oil. It's about 20-25 centimeters tube, and what if you ignore it, don't check it, and keep driving? Like I said, this is only about 1,100 kilometers done, and it's like, 3/4 of that tube fill up. So if you ignore it, don't check it, don't drain, tube gets fill up completely, and the oil gets into the airbox case and just destroy your air filter. So please regularly check all those three tubes, one on the other side and two on this side, but most of the time in this tube you will only find the oil. So basically you have to just unclamp this clamp, push it open, and this is like, cork cap, and basically you have to drain it. 1,100 kilometers, 3/4 of the tube. So if you have a couple thousand kilometers and you never check, there's a chance there's already oil in your airbox. Also, quite often check the oil level. Make sure you check the oil on warm engine, warm up for a couple minutes, then just let it cool down for 3 to 5 minutes. Put the bike not on the central stand, on the level ground. Ask somebody to help you hold the bike, unscrew that oil level, put inside, obviously clean it, put inside like that, and check the oil level. That's the correct way to check the oil. Just don't screw inside completely, only unscrew, clean to see visible dipstick, and just put inside and check the oil. In case your oil level going down, I give you advice. In my case, actually, the oil level stays level. I do the service every 10,000 kilometers, and from service to service, the same oil level going down, and I use 10W40 oil as Honda recommends. But in your case, if the oil level goes down, so change the oil from 10W40 to 10W30, and that should solve the problem. But remember, every so often check that breathable crankcase tube and drain it. Let me see how much oil is contained in that tube now. So simply to drain this oil, push that clamp even with your hands, with your fingers, up. Get some towel paper just in case you have some kind of spillage, and take that cork down. a bit spill, so maybe in that tube looks much, but in real it's just only a couple drops. But like I said, it's only a small tube. It's very quickly, if you don't check over a couple thousand kilometers, very quickly will just overfill and the oil goes to your air case box. Also, when you drop the bike on the side, there's a chance that the oil from the engine will go to airbox. So if you drop it already, if you try off-road and drop your bike, always when you're back home, check what is inside your airbox, because it could be the oil sitting there. So that's it. That's simple kind of maintain part to do on your Africa Twin or NT 1100. Make sure every so often check that pipe. 3 of them, but only one contain the oil. And if you have a problem with disappearing oil from the engine, change your oil from 10W40 to 10W30 and that should solve the problem. Right, so that was a quick video, very simple, but this was quite a reminder for you owners of Africa Twin and Honda NT. Check on regular basis your crankcase breathable tubes. One over here, never seen oil in that tube, and 2 on the other side. All right, stay tuned, ride safe, be good, bye bye.